friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make hummus.
What's up, dudes?
Oh, and this is Tiaden, my video companion. Hummus is actually one of his favorite things to eat. However, he likes store-bought and not homemade, which is actually really easy to make. I actually top mine with paprika and with olive oil, which is one thing you can do when you make your own hummus. Hummus originated in the Middle East, and you can find it there and in the Mediterranean. And did you know that the word hummus means chickpeas in Arabic? So, fun fact. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Here, she wants to be in the video. This is my daughter, Kensington.
Hi.
And yeah, enjoy. And I hope you make your own hummus. And if you do, let me know.